Welcome to the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge tutorial, a comprehensive guide on how to transfer your assets between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin sidechain. The Ronin bridge is a crucial tool for Axie Infinity players, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions compared to the Ethereum mainnet. To get started, you need to have an Axie Infinity account and a MetaMask wallet installed in your browser. First, navigate to the Ronin wallet website and click on the Bridge tab. Here, you will see two options: deposit and withdraw. If you want to transfer assets from the Ethereum mainnet to the Ronin sidechain, click on deposit. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet to the Ronin bridge by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting MetaMask. You will be prompted to sign a transaction to confirm the connection. Once connected, select the asset you want to transfer, such as ETH or AXS, and enter the amount. The next step is to confirm the transaction on the Ethereum mainnet. This may take some time due to the congestion on the Ethereum network. After the transaction is confirmed, your assets will be locked on the Ethereum mainnet and transferred to the Ronin sidechain. To transfer assets from the Ronin sidechain to the Ethereum mainnet, click on the Withdraw tab. Connect your Ronin wallet to the bridge and select the asset you want to transfer. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction on the Ronin sidechain. Your assets will then be locked on the Ronin sidechain and transferred to the Ethereum mainnet. It is essential to note that the Ronin bridge has some limitations and risks. The bridge is still a relatively new technology, and there may be bugs or security vulnerabilities. Additionally, the bridge is not suitable for large transactions, and there may be delays or failures during the transfer process. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge is a powerful tool for transferring assets between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin sidechain. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and efficiently transfer your assets and enjoy the benefits of the Ronin sidechain. Always make sure to follow best practices and stay up to date with the latest developments and security measures to ensure a smooth and secure experience.